light shows. Cync full-color bulbs and strips can now put on light shows. Fun, colorful light shows let you set up your rooms to look like a party. Light shows can be turned on by tapping the arrow next to any full-color bulb or strip. Tap the light show icon. You'll see the list of light show presets. Scroll through to see them all. Tap one to activate it on the bulb or group selected. You can tap the ellipses to see more details. Tap the plus icon to create your own light show. The first step is to select an effect type. Effect types will vary depending on the device you're using. They can include pulse, flicker, wave, alternating, fill, pop, erratic, rhythm, and static. Each of these effects have their own qualities. Choose one. Here you'll choose the color palette for your light show. Start by tapping Adjust Color Palette. Then you can select the colors you want to have in your light show. Add a new one by tapping the plus button. Once you've selected your colors, tap Save. You can toggle Randomize Order here. Scroll down and you'll see more customizations you can make to your light show. Once you're set, tap Next. Name your light show. Tap Next again. Select an icon for your light show and tap Save. After a moment, your light show will be created and will show up under Custom Shows, and you can activate it by tapping it. You can modify the settings by tapping the ellipse. All Cync dynamic effect products have a microphone built into the power supply, allowing an awesome new feature. With this type of light on your system, you'll see a new tab on the bottom of the Light Shows menu. Tapping this music tab will open the Music Sync menu. Tapping on one of these will sync your lights to your music. You can choose from the default options or create your own in a similar fashion to creating a light show. When activated, your lights will listen to the music and create a customized light show based on what you're listening to. Thanks for watching. For more information, please see syncsupport.gelighting.com.